Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here then hello. Hi, my name is Amy. I have not filmed a sit down video in what feels like forever. When I'm talking forever, I'm thinking a year? No, surely not. It's been a while guys, it's been a while. I've just got home from work and I feel like I'm looking a bit, I don't know. But anyway, hello, hi. So as you can probably tell, I'm going to shut that window. So as you can probably already tell by the title, I have got a little unboxing to do. Ta-da! So if you've followed my channel, then you'll know that I actually was really kindly sent a little bag and a pair of LV slides before, from a brand called Coeebags. I do believe that's how you pronounce the name. It's C-O-E-E bags, so yeah, Coeebags. And they basically specialise in like really high-end replica. And they're really good, and they're unreal quality. And anyway, they reached out to me again and they was like, we want a collab, so here we are. And I saw a bag that I've had my eye on for ages, and I knew I didn't really want to spend the money to get a bag. You know, we're moving out again soon guys. This is not my house. Layla, my lovely sister-in-law, has very kindly let me film in her bedroom, so this is her lovely little bedroom. But yeah, so I'm moving out again soon, so you know, I want to keep the budget small. Don't want to be spending hundreds and thousands. Anyway, I bet you're all really dying to see what is in the bag. So as you guys know, it's a replica brand. They sell really good high-end replica. I'm going to leave all of the links, every bit of information that you need down below. And if you do want to purchase like a bag or shoes, or I think they do loads of things really, and if you don't want to spend the money, then they are really good, and you should definitely check them out because you'll see the quality anyway, and it's super cute. And don't get me wrong, I have got real bags, I have also got some replica, I've got real shoes, and I have got those LV slides, which I actually don't wear because they are too small, but I also do have some replica. You know, it's a mix and match. We have a bits and bobs of both. But anyway, so all your orders come with, they come in like a bag, but they also come with all of the bags and everything that you'd need. And inside the bag you do have your box. So I actually rewrapped this ribbon myself. Didn't go the best, as you can see, but you know, it still looks cute. I think, did I keep all the papers out? Yeah, they're just my bits of pops in there. But yeah, so it does come with the box, comes with the ribbon, comes with pretty much everything you need, or everything that you would want to make it feel as luxury as it can. And then inside the box you have got your dust bag with said item inside, and you do also get all of your like documentation, little booklets, cards. You even actually get a receipt and a receipt holder, as if it was like a legitimate purchase from LV. But yeah, you get your little dust bag, which is super cute. My focus is just horrific at the moment guys. I don't know what's going on. I do think I need a new camera. So in the bag guys, I haven't actually used this bag, and I've really refrained from using it because I wanted to keep all the packaging and everything nice and neat, and I didn't want to play around with it. But now that I've filmed this video, I can finally start taking her out. I feel like from the size of the dust bag, maybe you can all guess, so maybe pop it in the comments. But ta-da, she's cute, she's tiny. Oh my gosh, I just had to really, didn't I? Oh my gosh. So I am slightly obsessed with the bag. So I did in fact go for the Nano Speedy. How adorable is this? I can't even cope. So you can see, again, the focus, you can see all the hardware detailing. It's so good quality guys. You've got it on here, you've got the removable strap, with the engraving. The strap itself, such good quality. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And then inside the bag, it is just empty with the LV. My focus is horrific at the moment. I don't understand what is going on. It is annoying me so much. I feel like it must be annoying you guys. But yeah, you've got the LV inside and it is just adorable. Crossbody little dream. I have to ignore my outfit. Crossbody little dream. I am obsessed. It is adorable. It's so cute and I cannot wait to style it. It is just super cute. The only thing I did have an issue with, the phone does not fit in the bag. So girls, if you have got an iPhone 12 Pro Plus, you have to take your case off. So you have to go caseless if you're using this bag, which is absolutely fine. Don't mind doing that. And then it does fit in there, but I don't really keep much in my bags anyway. I literally have the phone, lip liner, lip gloss, keys, and that's literally me. So it works perfect and I just think it's super cute because I do have another LV bag. I have my Alma, but she's getting a bit old. You know when a bag is old because all the like light detailing starts to really go quite dark orange. Yeah, she's quite old and sometimes she's too big. I don't want to hold her, and this is just cute because it goes crossbody. I'm just absolutely in love and I cannot wait to style this, and so I'm really excited to start wearing that out now. I finally can, now I've filmed this video. But yeah, so I will leave all of the details that you need to know regarding coeebags below. They have a WhatsApp, I believe they have a website, and I believe they are also on TikTok, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway, I'll leave all of the information down below so that you can check them out if you want to. Yeah, a little bit of luxury for a little bit less of the price. I say a little bit less, a lot less of the price. But yeah, thank you so much to coeebags for sending me that. I absolutely love your stuff. I've got the mini nano, I always get a nano bag from them. I've got the nano, what's the round one? I can't even think what it's called. I actually can't even remember, but yeah, I've also got that one and that's really good quality as well. So yeah, thank you so much and thank you to everyone who's watched this video. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. I will check them out and I'll get back to you. But I hope you enjoyed this little video, little mini unboxing and the montage, because I haven't filmed it yet, but I am going to film a really cute little montage of the bag and everything like that. And if I get any pictures in the bag before this video goes up, I will insert them so you can see how I've styled it. If not, definitely come and check me out over on Insta and also on TikTok. The username is literally just the same, like Amy Coombes. And that is all I have to say. So me and my baby little nano honey cutie pie are gonna be off now. So say goodbye to the camera. Goodbye. She's so cute, isn't she? She's just adorable. Just adorable. Right, anyway girls, I'm going to wrap the video up and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.